Hello guys, today I'm very excited to show you this product I have here in my hands. Okay, it's a sock waterproof. They are socks waterproof. Okay, and I like it because it says that it's breathable, waterproof, and the necessary for outdoor sports. And it says that it's comfortable for like any occasion. It is breathable, respirant, and it's also 100% waterproof. Okay, so here down it says that it has protection from water, mud, sand, germs, and insect bites. Okay, so I think these socks it could be for any occasion. Maybe if you're going to like camping, it will be perfect. Like it when you open it, the product is like this. So that's another thing that I want to tell you. This part, okay, the upper part of the socks, they're really big, but they're stretchable. So I think it's perfect because you know when you go to the snow, or when you go like to one part that you need like a lot of clothes, this it will be perfect because it will fit like all your clothes here, and you can put it like upper. Okay, it is big, so it will fits perfect for any size of feet. Okay, and this is like product really the sock, it's really good in the material. Okay, it's like this inside. Okay, so it has like a protection here inside, and obviously it will have like more protection here for the water. Okay, so I would like to try it in my shower, and let's see how it works, and let's see obviously if it functions. Okay guys, this is what I was trying to tell you. Okay, like you can see there, I already have my sock, and I have it until this part, and like you can see I have Levi's, so it is perfect. Okay, and I like that this part it's like really a thick sock, so I like it too much. Now I'm going to put the other one, and I'm going to show you inside the shower, okay, how it functions. Now I'm getting inside. Like you can see there's the water. Wow, okay, it feels really good. Okay, there it is. And I think that my feet, they're not like getting wet. Okay, I want you to see, remember that I get like this part wet, and it is nothing wet here, like until this part. It seems, but for example this one it's wet, okay, but here no, it seems like maybe for the flash, but really it's not wet. And like you can see here, I'm putting my feet, and if you can see, it's not like a lot of water, it is just like a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to take it off and going to show you. Now I'm taking the other one off also to show you. Okay, so as you can see, it is also nothing wet. Okay, so I think this product, it functions perfectly. I'm going to show you, really, if you can touch it, it is like nothing or just a little bit wet. Okay, the product. So look, it doesn't goes like the water. Okay, this is the other one that you can see, it is like not throwing water, and really I'm doing a lot of pressure, so I think the product functions very well. Okay, and the better thing is that I like it because when I go to the snow, it will be perfect because I won't get wet my feet, and I think that it helps a lot because then it comes like a lot of infections, or like in the bag it says like it's like protection from germs. So I think this one, it's perfect. Okay, I hope you like it.